Okay, hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to install a plugin, and the plugin will be an SEO plugin that really every WordPress site should have. So starting at the dashboard, we'll come down here and click on Plugins and click on Add New. And our choices are we can search or we can upload. We're going to search for one that's called the All-in-One SEO. Here we go, all-in-one SEO pack, over 1 million installs. It's updated 2 weeks ago, and it's compatible with your version of WordPress. That's always important. You should always look and to make sure, A, that whatever plugin you get in the repository, a free one anyway, you should always look to see the last time it was updated, whether or not it's compatible with your version as WordPress versions change. If it's not compatible and they haven't updated it, sometimes that may cause you problems. How many installs, the star rating. You can always click on more details and it will actually give you more information about the plugin and who's made it. So, and in this case, all we have to do is, this is the one we're doing, and we just click on install. It's installed, and now it's not activated though, so it doesn't automatically activate it. You have two options. You can either activate it here, or if you were going to search for more and add more in, you could, and then activate them all from the plugins folder. So we're going to do it here. I'll show you really quickly though. I'll be back. Here we go. If we go back to plugins, you see now we've installed it, but it's not blue. It's not activated. So at this point, we have to go back. Well, we can't go back. We have to stay here, and we're just going to click on activate. And it's welcome to All-in-One SEO Pack 23121. What's new? And of course, they do have a pro version, like a lot of free ones do. A lot of times the free ones will have some features, and then the pro will have more. And of course, there's credits and all that. So, and we take a look, and then it'll tell you right away to go to the general settings. And typically, for the all-in-one SEO, the only thing you really need to do is you can put your email address here if you want to be updated by them. Basically, you're going on their list. And then you can choose your other settings here. Actually, there's probably a lot of different videos on YouTube or even from their website. There's a lot of things you can do here for SEO ranking on your site. I mean, I'm just scrolling down the page and you can see there's a lot of stuff. But initially, to have it installed and on your site like this, you're good to go. There's the general settings. In the performance, you can actually do some extra stuff with the memory for the website. And then there's also the feature manager, and they have different SEO things that you can add for XML sitemaps, for social meta, for social networking, robots for when robots come through to scroll your site, file editor. I mean, you'll notice that there are free, and then of course they'll have some pro versions as well. But once it's installed, you'll normally notice some improvement in your SEO, and as you go forward, you can learn more about all the settings. Though beyond many of the settings, though, are beyond this video. But once you have that installed, that'll take care of having one SEO plugin on your WordPress site. There are others that are paid-only versions. One you may hear of is called Yoast. However, initially to start, the all-in-one SEO pack has pretty much everything you need for a starting site. Down the road, you can consider upgrading and spending some money on it. But my suggestion to start with is just to stick with the all-in-one SEO plugin. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.